Sick of working, sick of trying, tired of living, I feel like crying. I'm gonna take off in a big jet plane, take me to Waikiki, yeah. Some peace and quiet where no one complains. I need a drastic change of scenery. He don't love me, I don't need it. He pushed and shoved me, and now I'm leaving. I slipped away.